Hey there, welcome back to Self-Improve. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has been shaping the world in countless ways: artificial intelligence. We'll be discussing how you can make money with the help of AI, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or just someone curious about the potential of this incredible technology. Before we jump into the money-making part, let's get a grasp of what AI really is. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, primarily computer systems. It's all about teaching machines to think and learn like humans, making them capable of tasks that typically require human intelligence. Over the past few years, AI has seen a massive boom. It's everywhere, from self-driving cars to virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. This growth is creating opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. If you're a developer, the AI field offers numerous opportunities. You can develop AI-powered applications, chatbots, or even work on machine learning models. Freelancing platforms and AI-focused job boards are great places to find opportunities. For entrepreneurs, starting an AI-focused business can be incredibly rewarding. AI is being used in various industries, from healthcare to finance and e-commerce. Identify a niche where AI can bring significant value, create a business plan, and start seeking investors if needed. If you have expertise in AI, consider offering consulting services. Many businesses are eager to leverage AI but don't have the in-house knowledge. You can help them implement AI solutions, optimize processes, and improve efficiency. Content creation is another area where AI is making waves. You can use AI tools to generate content, such as articles, videos, or even music. While AI can assist, remember that human creativity remains invaluable. If you prefer a more passive approach, investing in AIStocks is an option. Companies like Google, Tesla, and Nvidia are heavily invested in AI research and development. Keep an eye on AI-related stocks for potential investments. Learning about AI is crucial if you want to succeed in this field. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing a degree in artificial intelligence. Continuous learning will keep you updated with the latest advancements. Before diving into AI for profit, it's essential to consider the ethical aspects. AI can have significant social and ethical implications. Be responsible and ensure your AI projects prioritize fairness, transparency, and privacy. In conclusion, the world of AI is ripe with opportunities to make money, whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, consultant, or investor. It's a field that's constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and who knows where your AI journey will take you. Thank you for joining us today on Self-Improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. As always, feel free to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, stay innovative and embrace the power of AI.